Hello everyone. Let's talk about our progress in the last few months, what we're doing right now, and what we will do uh, at the end of this year. Um, okay, we successfully launched Dystopian Con, of course, um, improved our current Teta version 1 contracts, worked a lot for Tetucci and integrated few new platforms. And of course, we launched on Binance Smart Chain. We're farming Con. And what we will do. Um, on the last MA, I talked about Tetu version 2, and I said about ETA in September. Obviously, it was very optimistic. Let's say we will launch beta at this month. We're very close to beta release. Core contracts done, strategies on the way, UI done on 50%. Now we are working on 4 projects in parallel, but 60% of time take Teta version 2 UI. I also involved in it. I developed a subgraph. I integrated it. You will see how big it is. And as first step of release of version 2, we will have a redesign of current website. It is nearly done. I hope it will be released on this week. It is live demo, yes. Only few fixes requires, but in general it works. No new functionality, but we need similar design as we will have in Teta version 2, because we will have a main page with all products. As you can see, version 1, version 2, yes, and it is part for taxes and liquidity staking, yeah, important part of our project. Okay. And let's briefly look at new design, new pages, new functionality on version 2. The main page will be very simple. Our goal make it as simple as possible for new users. They will see a UI similar to Uniswap, and when they choose asset or vault, they will have more information, some chart, roads, how it will be deposited. And of course, we will have zapping solution by the nature. We will use our own solution, combine it with Paraswap SDK, and users will not care about how it will go, how it will work on the background, but we will show roads and weights, everything else. DEX with DEX aggregation mechanic. For user, just one click deposit in very complex product. On background, we will have a vault with multiple strategies. It is new strategy splitter focused on flexibility. We will farm LP tokens with correlated assets. We will farm multi-step. We will have multi-step strategies when we put like IMB, if you're familiar with this, like you provide something to CHIDAO, for example, borrow DAI and deposit it in some pool. There's a lot of opportunity exists in this kind of strategies, and of course we will have ETS with time. It is um, um, hashed positions, and okay, it is a new chapter in our life, in Tattoo life, when we will able to implement really complex things, and all this under totally new risk management, on-chain risk management, with properly triggers everything if something happens. Total automatically on-chain solution, and you will able control it. It is the most interesting part. We will have vtattoo. It will be it will instead of X tattoo conception, vtattoo will have multiple underlying tokens. You will able to deposit tattoo or BBT token or something else. Up to you guys if you decide that you need something. Each asset has some weight. Of course, tattoo has 100% weight, BPT less, let's say 20%, and we can add any asset with 1% of power. If some, it can be vault tokens like X USDC, for example, and we will have ability to lock it and provide functionality, power, voting power, boost, and everything else. We will focus on a friendly UI with powerful information. We will have different IPR expectations and cool sliders with okay, you will see. On this page, you will able to vote for different votes. Bribes will be oriented for platforms. For example, if we will have Matic Vault and the most liquidity will be in ST Matic, leader will be interesting to attract more liquidity, and I'm sure they will do it. It is not for common users. It is not a CHIDAO concept. Will not have situations when vault can be diluted, something. Bribes, it is for platforms, for our guys who are interested in attracting liquidity to concrete this asset. Okay, next page is dashboard for withdraw and boost your positions. You will able to boost your claimable rewards up to 250%, no, 150%, 2.5 times. Of course, I already described a lot how boost work. We will have boost calculator inside UI. You don't need to understand it fully. You just will choose how much IPR you want and how much VTattoo you need for your current position in this world. It is a vault info page. You were able to control where your money, how vault use underlying assets, in which strategies it deposited, profit, losses, insurance, the other statistical information. Also, it will have strategies info page where you will able to decide how much profit will be auto-compounded and how much will be used for buybacks and or common way to investment fund, buybacks, and etc. This page for claim rewards. You were able to claim rewards in one click, but in 3 clicks. Okay, for claim all rewards possible, all possible rewards, you need claim all bribe rewards, or gauge rewards, and auto compound V30 rewards. All rewards depends on your V. It is pretty similar to dystopia. On this page, you will be able to vote to different platform attributes. It is a pretty unique concept. Nobody has it. With V, you can vote on-chain on different platform attributes. On this page, you will be able to vote how much will go to invest fund, how much will go to votes, and how much will go to V30. So you will decide if you a V30 holder, obviously you want more profit for yourself, but you need to attract liquidity to votes, and you need to keep something inside votes. And I guess you also will farm in votes too. So you will decide the best ratio between all these attributes. Forget about snapshot votes and everything else. You will control it, and it will be reflected immediately after you click. Of course, with some proportion of your power. Okay, it's all main pages, not all. I forgot to include a screenshot with strategy info page. Sorry, next time. And a bit about our game. Our game is pretty huge. I wanted to make just a MVP, launch it, and say have fun, play, and try it. But this time we understand that we need to build this product properly. We hired 5 artists. We have all necessary art for entities, for everything else. We made a beautiful UI, and now we just implementing it. Contracts ready, art ready, UI. I'm working on it right now. With front-end developers, of course. I'm not built UI exactly. I integrate contracts and subgraph to the game. Game. Why we're building game? Because it is a synergy with our vault tokens. This game will use our vault tokens and Tattoo and any another token possible to use for create heroes or items or different other functionalities that require tokens. So you increase value with this product, and it is dedicated product with their own value. We'll have income from this product to dev fund. Will increase tether value, and you will able to participate in this, we will create some governance functionality this time, some income for Vitato. I will not show UI, game UI. It is on very early stage, and it is very bad for game when you disclose early some information. It will be roguelike game in very dark fantasy style. We're inspired from Dark Soul and Diablo. And it will have cool story, their own universe, and if it will be successful, we can extend it in something bigger. Right now, it is the first roguelike RPG on chain, totally on chain. I already tested it. It will not ruin blockchain. All works properly, all safe, all contracts is the best practice from all developers, and it will be really cool. I guess nobody try to make so complex game on the main chain. You can launch it even on Ethereum. Why not? This is just example of one item with some stats. No, just stats. UI on a very early stage, around maybe 30%. But we create new framework on Angular for implement everything properly. We prepare a lot, everything for start building this UI. It is optimistic prognosis December. I hope we'll have some better. Okay, that's all what I wanted to say. Of course, it is not all what we're doing. We support everything, and we will launch another one, Dystopia Fork. But it is our main products. It is our main goals. We focus on it. We spend on it 80% of our resources. Thank you, guys. Thank you for your support. Bye bye.